Hi, welcome to episode 4 of Mike's Minute. Reading is fundamental. Every day, we're constantly bombarded with agreements and messages asking us to approve, like a new website, a new subscription, or a new account. Oftentimes, we just click agree. We don't fully understand what the message or this new thing we're doing. So when it comes to a construction business and or running a project with specific instructions or terms, not reading the full scope of work or the master service agreement can simply be catastrophic and is going to create huge problems down the road. So let me give you some examples. How about the payment terms are 90 days versus what you thought were 30? Or safety requirements that now are going to add additional cost to your project? How about penalties that if you don't complete a milestone on time? So the contract is the Bible, and it's imperative that every member on the team sit down and fully read that document. One of my golden rules is that when working with a client, we have to make sure before we start that everybody on the team reads the contract, and then we have a kickoff meeting where we go through the scope of work to make sure everybody understands the entire work order tasks that need to be done before we move forward or we start that project. That is why reading the contract is fundamental to successfully running your construction business. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.